The simplest way of using the timekeeping system is as a time clock. Users can simply clock in when starting their shifts and clock out for lunch or end of shift. The Activities Management will help us to handle user tasks and activities in PIRO. To understand better, here's an example. Let's say you would like to add a task that includes a training of a new employee. First, you create a new category that will distinguish training from other activities. This category will be called the Education category. The activity groups are already divided into two categories, own time and work time. While you create this new activity named Training, you will select the Education category and select Work Time Group. If you would create, for example, a lunch activity type, that would fall under the Own Time group. You can define other attributes for this activity, such as payable or not, add labor cost, or even set a maximum time that the user is allowed to spend on this activity. The setting of this limit to 60 minutes means that the user will be allowed to train the new employee for only 1 hour at a time. The user simply has to scan a barcoded badge when he or she has to start or close an activity, but this can be done manually as well. PIRO can also track in high detail the time spent on each job order at service level. This allows you to add the time worked to other costs when completing a job order. The Timekeeping Monitoring module will keep track of all activities performed by your users. PIRO can generate detailed time reports that show total time spent by individual employees on orders, as well as the times spent during a certain period on particular activities. The different color highlighting gives you information about the activity status. Red means the activity has not been finished by the user, while gray indicates finished activities. With all this information, PIRO can calculate exactly how much it costs you to process and deliver each job order.